Hey guys, Dawson Allen Fishing and Survival here, back with another video. Today I am doing a shooting video with my BB gun, or whatever, we're going to call it pellet gun, BB gun. But we're blackbird and crow hunting. Today, that's basically all I'm going to do. I've been sitting in this spot for, I would say 5 minutes now, kind of waiting for him to fly over me. I see him and hear him all around me. I just haven't seen one land in time for me to shoot it. Oh, guys. Oh, crap. One just flew right over me. Oh, let's see. Where is he? He's up. He's right there. But the thing that sucks though is that I can only take shots upward since I live in town. Because I shoot one way, could hit a house, shoot the other, could hit a house, car. Well, you know what I mean. So, starting now, I'm going to start probably not talking or talking very quietly. And wait till one or two, whatever, flies over me to take the shot. And once I do that, I'll send you a picture, or not send a picture, I'll record it. But my phone's at 10%, so it won't be very long. So, alright, starting now. There's my dog over there. Guys, hold on. I think there's one right above me. No, I was wrong. There wasn't one above me. Alright, well, while I'm doing it, I told Devin Morkrid, shout out to Devin Morkrid, please like and subscribe to him. He's technically like a brother to me. Well, is a brother to me. He's a stepbrother. And so, yeah. Him and I this summer will be doing a lot of camping and just like survival videos. Like big shout out to Flair also. He don't really need one because of how good he is on his, how good he's doing like business wise on his channel. But otherwise, shout out to Flair. Like and subscribe to Devin Morkrid. And what I'm trying to say is my schedule. So I'm going to be gone during the summer, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sundays, every other week. And majority of my summer consists of shooting and fishing. And that's really all my summer is. And my phone is at 7%. So I don't know what I can do really since I'm on such a low percentage and I'm on a time budget basically with my phone battery. I have at least like 10 minutes left of recording time, I think around that time. So I would hope one of them fly over me so I can take the shot. I see some in that pine right there, but that's too far for me to walk, take a shot without them running. So I ain't gonna take a shot. I'm just gonna stay low and stay quiet. well, I don't think any of them will fly over. They're all stuck in one spot, scared. So I'm gonna say this is the end of my video since I'm on such low quality, not quality, percentage on my phone. So I will see you guys later, and I'm gonna come up with an intro for next video. Alright, peace.